to Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I want to share with you a very delicious parsley rice. Yes, a parsley rice that I know that you guys are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: I have parsley, butter, chicken bouillon, onion, rice, and of course water. This is everything we need for this delicious parsley rice that I know that you guys are going to love. So let's get started. First thing I want to start with is my rice. Let's take it to the sink. Let's go ahead and make sure we run it through running water, rinsing it very good, making sure that we rinse it for about 3 to 5 minutes. We want to make sure that we get all the starch out of the rice. So please take your time and let's take and rinse this rice completely. After we have rinsed the rice completely and the water is running clear, then we're just gonna let it rest. And we're going to continue with our onion. The onion, I like to cut it just in slices, very thin, and then cut it through the middle. What we're going to do is pull it apart, making sure that all the onion is pulled apart, because right after we pull it apart, we're gonna go and start cooking it. Once everything is nice and pulled, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it to a plate. And let's go to the stove. This is completely done. My pan is nice and hot, and I am going to start adding the butter. We want to make sure that we coat the whole pan from the inside, even the sides. We want to make sure that the pan is completely coated with the butter. Now I am ready to start adding my onion. We want to make sure that we caramelize the onion nice and brown so that it releases completely all the flavor of the onion. Look at this. This is completely nice and brown. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove the onion. The butter has been infused with the onion flavor. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just put it aside, and I'm going to start adding my rice. We want to make sure that we coat our rice with that delicious butter infused with the onion. So let's mix it around, making sure that everything is nice and incorporated. We're going to add our chicken bouillon. We're going to mix it the same. We want to make sure that everything is nice and coated. When everything is really nice and coated, then we're going to start by adding the water. We want to make sure that we add boiling water. The reason that you add boiling water is so that your rice will cook in about 10 minutes. Now is the time to add the parsley. We want to make sure that we add all the parsley and just mix it around, making sure that every piece of rice has a little bit of parsley. I'm going to lower the heat to medium-low, and I'm going to let it cook for 10 minutes. Look at this. It's been cooking now for 10 minutes, and the water has absorbed completely. Look at the color. Look at this rice. It's really nice and fluffy.
You could even see the little pieces of parsley. I'm just gonna move it around so you could see that it's really pulling apart from the pan. It's not sticking at all. The rice is not sticky. It's really nice. And you could even move it around and you could see all the little pieces of rice coming apart. This is how you want this delicious parsley rice. Well, you know something, my friends, this is completely done and I am ready for the presentation and to taste it. See you in a bit.
I am completely done with this parsley rice. This just looks amazing. The rice is so soft, but yet it's not sticky. It's just perfect. You know that this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward to tasting my recipes. I wish you were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. The flavor of the onion, nice and crispy, really brought up all that flavor of the rice. Excuse me. Just amazing. And with this hibiscus agua fresca, perfection. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media, share it with your friends, with your neighbors, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did already, leave it activated. So every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. I want to say thank you so much for playing this video and letting me show you what I cook here at home with my family, what I enjoy in my kitchen. Thank you so much. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious parsley rice. Bye-bye.